My name is Ali Hart and I'm a professional artist. One of the things that I get asked all the time is, where do I start? I don't know how to paint. How can I do this? Well, I've just launched my new course, The Unintentional Artist, and I am so excited about it. Many of you followed me for the last year, especially during the pandemic, when I grew my YouTube channel with free demonstrations, and then on a monthly basis, I ran art workshops. They were great, but they were really speedy. So we would make a painting like this in an hour and a half, which was amazing, but it kind of left you guys wanting more, and it left me wanting to teach you more. So with The Unintentional Artist, we have time, we have pace, and we are going to learn about pastels. I'm going to teach you about paint, where to start with paint, how to mix colour, how to apply colour, all about light and shade, and so much more. We're going to look into art history as well, but they're going to be 15 to 45 minute videos. You're going to get 4 of those a month, and then we do a live Q&A so I can give you feedback and we can just keep growing together. I learn whenever I teach art. I love painting. It's something I'm going to be doing all of my life, so I would love you to join me on this journey and for me to show you month by month how to grow and where to start and where to keep growing with your practice. I can't wait, and I hope you can join me.